It can often be really tricky trying to figure out which wand or tong is the right one for you. So I'm going to show you the results on each one to help you figure out which could be the best choice for you. So before using any of the curl range, I recommend using Curly Ever After Curl Hold Spray. Not only does it give you up to 24 hours of hold, it also has an invisible protective layer which will help protect against any heat use in the hair. So the first tool I'm going to show you is the GHD Classic Wave Wand. This is a really great tool if you struggle with styling your hair, because you literally just wrap your hair straight around and you get a beautiful result. The curls you'll get with this will be very loose and undone, and that's because of its unique oval shape. So if you like really undone natural textures, this is definitely the tool for you. So next I'm going to show you the Creative Curl Wand, and this is perfect if you love that really beachy, lived-in texture. Because it has that conical shape, you end up with an irregular movement throughout the hair, which really helps to enhance the texture overall. So then we have the GHD Soft Curl Tong. So this is used to give you voluptuous, voluminous curls. We use a flat wrap technique when creating movement with this, which helps give you that faux blow dry look. So different to the wands, the tongs have this little arm on, which help give you a very polished, pressed look. So ideal if you've got more curly or textured hair. So if you like those big, bouncy, rounder curls, then this is definitely the right tong for you. So finally, I'm going to show you the GHD Classic Curl Tong. And this is great if you love those deeper crested waves and movements. I actually use a twist wrap technique where I'm actually rotating my wrist slightly when I'm wrapping the hair on, so the hair forms almost like a little rope as it wraps around the barrel of the tong. The reason I do this is because in the end it gives you more of a poppy look, which helps give you those deep crests and waves. So if you want more of that Hollywood glamorous curl, this is definitely the right tong for you. The GHD Curve range has a 25-second heat-up time, which is super fast for you to be able to turn it on and start to use it. It also features an ultrazone technology, which keeps and maintains a low and safe styling temperature of 185 at all times, and evenly and consistently across the whole barrel. It also features a cool tip on the end, so when you're styling, it makes it much easier to maneuver it in your hair. Now you've seen the amazing results that you can achieve using the GHD Curve range. Which one would you choose?
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.